Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy NEPHRITE. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope you guys are having a very blessed day. In today's video, I'm excited to bring you guys another sneaker review, and I'm also excited because for this sneaker that we're actually gonna be reviewing, I finally obtained them. I finally got them. It took me a while. Not so much, well, yeah, it took me a while to get them only because I really wasn't trying to pay a resale for them. Not that the resale was extremely high, but it's just, you know, I wanted to get it for retail, and I finally did. So, you know, like they say, good things come to those who wait. So without further ado though, before we go straight into the review though, if you haven't already followed me on my sneaker news page or my Instagram, definitely go ahead and follow me on there. The reason is because I try to go ahead as much as I can. I try to post as much sneaker news for you guys to keep you guys kind of update with, you know, what's going on with, you know, sneakers that are coming out for the nearest month, the nearest year. So, and it's something I kind of like doing for you guys. Also, I'm gonna try to probably get more people into this page as well, because I really do believe that, you know, it's kind of something that, you know, I feel like kind of, you know, it's cool, it's interesting. So if you guys would like to be a part of that, definitely go ahead and give it a follow and, you know, help the kid out. So without further ado, I know I've kind of been rambling. Thank y'all always for, you know, watching my videos. Thank you so much for all the love and support that you give me. And let's get straight into this review. But before we get into this review, you know what we try to do. We always try to get color coordinated with whatever the product that we're reviewing. So yeah, let's do that real quick. Alrighty, we got the headband on. It's gonna match today's review that we're doing. You know, got the nice red Kappa shirt on, looking flame, looking king. So yeah, I know I'm awkward, I'm sorry. So like I said in the beginning of the video, we are getting ready to go ahead and do a review. And actually, we're actually doing an unboxing because I'm glad, because we haven't done one of these in a fat minute. So quick little story though, these, like I said in the beginning, they just kept selling out and selling out and selling out, and I was on the verge literally of like going on like StockX to go ahead, not StockX, but Go. I was on the verge of going on Go and just like paying resale for it, because the resale isn't really too high for these, but I was like, you know what, no. Eventually, shout out to Soul Links for allowing me to go ahead and actually get the notification. That's why I tell you guys, actually very important to go ahead and follow them. But they went ahead and posted a notification for, what was it, Dick's Sporting Goods, letting us know that there was a restock for these. And I was like, you know, I'm like, I'm probably just gonna fail miserably of it. But I went ahead and actually went onto the site, placed it in my cart, got my size, and sure enough, you know, I finally ordered them. So, and they got here relatively fast. So without further ado, let's go straight into this unboxing. So, let's open this baby up. And as we pull it out, whoop, as you can see, this is a Jordan. This is a Jordan box, beautiful, right? Got the gold Jumpman right there. And allow me to go straight into the description of the shoe. It is Air Jordan 1 Low, Gym Red, black and white. I got a size 10.5, and the retail for these were $90. So really quick, I'm gonna give you guys a little minute to guess what these shoes are. What do you think they are? Let's get it. All right, so if you guess, as you can see from the title, you already know, actually already know what these are, but finally, we open the box. We're greeted with that nice tissue paper, as you can see. 23 is all over it. Lift it up, and without further ado, we are greeted with the Air Jordan 1 Reverse Bred. Now, a lot of people, I know you guys have probably seen a lot of reviews on this sneaker, but this is a shoe that I was really wanting, only because like I said, every time they restocked, they always kept selling out. Like I said, I went ahead and picked it up from Dick's Sporting Goods, so, you know, big shout out to them for allowing, you know, for me to finally hit on these, because they're very beautiful. I've done so many reviews on lows in my previous videos, so if you are interested in seeing some more, you know, reviews, go watch that. But yeah, these are clean, dude. These are clean. Looking all around the shoe is definitely amazing. Looking at the back, you have the Air Jordan, the Air Jordan wing at the back of it. Looking at the bottom of it, you have the outsole. Oh my God, look how clean they look. The Nike Air at the bottom of it. This is a killer shoe. This is a killer shoe. Like I said, I was gonna go ahead and actually pay a resale for this. The resale is not too bad. I think it's like $120. I think after tax, like $130 you're paying for this. Not extremely bad, but I mean, like I said, if you can get them for retail, you know, even better, right? Even better. So this is the right pair. Let me go ahead and actually, sorry, this is the left pair. Let me go ahead and get the right pair for you. There's nothing else that comes with the box with it. Let me go ahead and put it over here. So this is the right pair, and this is the red, or the left pair. And yeah, like these are honestly a clean colorway. Comment down below, let me know if this is a shoe that you hit on. I know I'm actually kind of late, especially me getting these in 2021. These came out last year. I forget the exact date they came out, so I do apologize, but these came out last year. And yeah, they're very beautiful. Looking at the tongue, you have the red gym red Jumpman on there. The back, like I said, you know, the Air Jordan wing back there, so clean, Red. So such a clean sneaker. And these are the reverse Breds. When you look at the high tops, they're basically like the exact same color blocking as the high tops. And also there was a pair of mids that came out just like this too. So it's clean. It's very clean. I'm happy I got this. I really am. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think about this. Is this a clean sneaker? Is this something that you want to have in your collection? Let me know. I will probably take a lot more pictures with these on my Instagram, so look out for that. And yeah, man, like, you know, really excited I got these. I'm happy I got them. Comment down below, like I said, let me know what you guys think of them. Is this a sneaker that you like? Is this a sneaker that you don't like? Yeah, I'd like to hear your feedback. So guys, thank you so much. I know this is a very short but sweet review. Like I said, I will try my hardest to go ahead and stay more consistent. Like I said, I'm currently right now in school, so it's been a minute for me to actually try to get content out. Because I've just been really focused, and like, you know, I'm in college, so if you're a college student, you kind of know, like, you kind of know the struggles that, you know, that we go through when it comes to like assignments, especially if you're not really good with school like me. So, but like I said, I will try to stay more consistent with these videos. I have a lot more ideas and a lot more content that I would like to go ahead and show you guys. I have so many pair of shoes in my closet that I need to go ahead and get out for y'all. So just bear with me. Like I said, I know this was a very short and sweet review. However, though, I'm glad I was able to go get these out for you guys. So definitely comment down below. Let me know this is a sneaker that you want. This is a sneaker that you're going for. Do you like them? Are you gonna pass on them? Or did you pass on them? Like, definitely let me know. So I'm gonna go ahead and break away to the on-feet review. This has been your boy NEPHRITE. Like always, I love you guys. Appreciate all the love and support that you give me. And until next time, I will catch y'all in the next video. Peace.